What's up, my name is Kevin Lee, and welcome back to Atlassian Answered, the series where we tackle your top questions on all things Atlassian. In this video, we're going to dive into how Rovo, Atlassian's AI solution, helps you manage projects in Jira faster and easier. Now, before we get started, this video will be a very high-level overview, and so if you're looking for a deeper dive into Rovo and Jira, check out the link down below. There, you'll find our free courses, as well as our full library of on-demand learning. But with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So I think we can all agree that every single piece of work first starts with an idea. Maybe it comes up in a brainstorm, a Slack message, or deep inside an email thread. However, turning the idea into an actual Jira task can take time. You have to copy details, rephrase context, and make sure nothing gets lost along the way. Luckily, this is where Rovo comes into play to help you save time. So let's say, for example, you've been emailing back and forth with your team, and now you've finally been able to agree on a new product update. Instead of manually creating a Jira ticket from scratch, you can now use the Jira for Gmail app to do it in seconds. Just open the email, click Use AI, and Rovo will analyze the full email thread to pull in all the right details. Once a ticket is created, you can even use Rovo to clean up the description, rewrite text for clarity, or find related tasks in your project. And just like that, your long-winded email chains becomes a well-structured Jira ticket in seconds. Now, let's say you're working on a larger project, like a huge marketing campaign or a brand new software feature. Instead of manually breaking down these huge tasks into dozens of subtasks, you can now use Rovo to automatically suggest similar work items. Rovo will read your project description, analyze the context, and recommend logical subtasks. You can then review them, edit the details, or remove anything that you don't need. So now that your project is structured, the next step is getting it moving. And something that a ton of teams struggle with is making sure that the right person is alerted, the right context is shared, and that tasks move forward smoothly. Typically, project managers try to automate this process in some way, but building up automations typically takes hours. Luckily now, Rovo can do all the heavy lifting for you. All you have to do is go to the Automations tab in your project. From there, you can simply describe what you want to happen. For example, you might type, if an issue has the label creative, send Jane a Slack message. Rovo will then instantly build an automation for you, setting the trigger, condition, and action automatically. You can use this exact same approach for all different types of situations, such as setting notifications when issues are updated, updating statuses when reviews are approved, or assigning new requests to teammates automatically. With Rovo, setting up powerful automations takes seconds, allowing your project to run smoothly with everyone in the loop. Now, as deadlines pile up, things might slip through the cracks. Maybe a few tickets haven't been updated in a while, or maybe you're unsure what items of work are at risk. Luckily, this is yet another example of where Rovo shines. You can use Rovo Chat to ask simple, direct questions like what work hasn't been updated in a while, or what potential discrepancies are there in this work item. Rovo will then search across your entire Jira space to give you a clear, summarized answer. You can also ask questions like what tasks were completed this week, or which items are due next week, to get instant status reports, which you can then turn into an update to share with your team. And the best part is that you don't need to click through dashboards or run custom queries. Rovo understands your intent, pulls the context, and gives you answers in plain English, helping you stay ahead of blockers and keeping your project running smoothly. Alright, I know that was a lot of information, and so before we end this video, let's just do a quick recap. Atlassian's AI solution, Rovo, helps you streamline every part of project management. You can structure your work by turning emails and ideas into organized Jira tickets. You can kick off projects faster with automations that alert the right people and move tasks forward automatically. And you can keep your project on track by using Rovo Chat to identify risks, spot delays, and share updates effortlessly. Today, these AI features save time, reduce confusion, and help your team focus on what really matters. And that's it. Now, once again, if you want to learn more about Rovo, check out the link in the description for a free course. On top of that, check out the Atlassian community. There you can connect with other like-minded individuals and get answers to your questions. If this video was helpful, drop a like, comment down below, and of course subscribe to the Atlassian YouTube channel. Alright, that's all for this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.